Hi, I'm Ryan Floyde. I'm the Territory Manager here in Alberta with Nextseed. Today I'm going to do another topic on Delta Cleaner balls. So the ball on the Delta bounces underneath the screen and sits in the ball tray and bounces up and down, and it knocks the seed out of the holes in the screen as they get stuck, and those ones are odd sizes and tend to build up. It also hits that screen with enough force that it causes the seed that's flowing down to get bumped up, and you do a bit of a rotation of the seed, and allows that smaller stuff that typically will rise to the top to get to the bottom and see a screen hole and fall through when you're doing that sifting separation. So the two important things that your balls are doing for you. And previously I did a discussion on why it's important to change those balls out, because over time they just lose their bounce and they don't jump nearly as much. So over time you need to replace those. Today I want to do a chat on the importance of having the right ball for your environment. So the standard ball works great in your average environments and your average temperatures, but here in Canada we get that -20, -30 in the winter, and the temperatures drop for a good period of time, and the standard ball just doesn't have the same bounce during those temperatures. So it's important that we have a ball that still maintains that aggressiveness and that rebound. So what we provide on all the machines we sell in Canada is a cold weather ball that is really designed to be able to keep a good bounce even when the temperatures get low. So that's what we put in the machines when we sell them up here, and it's important to make sure that you have, say, the right ball for the right environment. So what I did was I did a drop test. I just put a tape against my freezer and I dropped two balls. So I dropped the standard ball and I dropped the cold weather ball. I did it first at your room temperature. I just left those on my desk overnight, and then I did another one where I dropped standard ball and a cold weather ball that had been in my deep freeze overnight. So we'll jump over to that, watch those videos, and then we can discuss again once that's done.
Okay, so I'm going to do some drop tests here of some Delta Cleaner balls. First I've got the warm ones that I just had left on my desk. And first I will drop the standard cleaner ball. I drew a little X on this one. And I'll drop everything from 25 inches thereabouts, as close as I can get. So I'll drop that one more time. Alright, now I'll drop a cold weather ball. Drop it one more time. Alright, now I'll grab the ones out of the freezer. Left in overnight. So first off, drop the standard ball that's been in the deep freeze overnight. Drop that one more time. And now I will drop the cold weather ball that was in the deep freeze overnight. I'll do it one more time again.
After watching the slow-mo and the drops on that, we can see that, you know, with regular temperatures, the ball bounce is not too much different between the two. But once the ball has been cooled down to that winter temperature, you can see that the standard ball just thuds and hits the ground, doesn't really bounce back at all. But that cold weather ball still has a really good bounce back on it. So it's a nice test to show that there's a big difference in those. And it's very important that you're putting the right balls in your machine. So something to keep in mind that especially if you're getting stuff from out of country, it's important to talk to your local person whoever they may be, and make sure that you're getting the right ball for your environment. So if you want to reference the video I did previously on replacing the balls, we'll have that link down below. But otherwise, any more discussion or anything else that anyone wants to learn about the balls that go in your Delta cleaner, give me a call. Always willing to have a chat. Thanks. We'll talk again.